My name is Dr. Ashley McClure, and I'm a primary care physician in Oakland, California. For Earth Day this year, I'm calling on congressional leaders to do their part in protecting everyone's health through the next COVID stimulus package priorities, which needs to be protecting our health with a green stimulus. America's health professionals are on the front lines right now, working to save our patients and our communities from the COVID pandemic. This public health crisis shows that lives are lost when science and public health experts are ignored for too long, and when the institutions that we rely on to protect us from health hazards are weak. My American health professionals are unanimous in agreeing that a large and rapid reduction of carbon emissions is essential for our health and the health of future generations. We have 10 years to reduce our emissions by half in order to protect the health of our families and communities now, as well as those of our children forever. We need federal congressional leaders to use this public health crisis as an opportunity to invest in infrastructural changes to flatten the climate curve and transition America rapidly away from the use of coal, oil, and gas to clean, safe, renewable energy consistent with limiting global warming to 2 degrees Celsius or less. The framework for this transition is mapped out in the Green Stimulus Plan, which we recommend for implementation as an existentially critically important public health measure. So America's health professionals need Congress and all of our leaders to safeguard health by demanding that all COVID-19 relief funds make protecting health the top priority, both in the short term and the long term, by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. We also need to rescue workers and communities, not corporate executives. We need economic relief to go directly to people, and we need to make a down payment on a regenerative, zero carbon economy to prevent future public health crises. And lastly, we need to protect our democratic process, especially this November, so that people can safely vote and not risk their health. Further, fossil fuel executives are requesting taxpayer money as part of the next stimulus package, and the health professionals of America need our congressional leaders to buy out, do not bail out fossil fuel companies. We need our government to manage them into a just transition for workers, into being part of the zero carbon economy that will be safer for everybody's health today and tomorrow. Our children's health requires us to use this crisis as an opportunity to transition in earnest to a zero carbon future. Our collective health and safety requires collective solutions that the Green Stimulus Plan will leave a legacy of health for our kids and future generations, and our health is worth a Green Stimulus Plan. Thank you.